Taking antibiotics can feel like a double-edged sword. On one hand, they provide much-needed relief from bacterial infections, stopping illness in its tracks. On the other hand, these powerful medications don't distinguish between the harmful bacteria causing your infection and the beneficial bacteria peacefully living in your gut. As those good bacteria are wiped out along with the bad, many people experience uncomfortable side effects, things like diarrhea, bloating, and digestive upset. This is because the balance of microorganisms in your digestive system has been disrupted, a condition scientifically known as dysbiosis. Your gut isn't just a vessel for digesting food, it's home to trillions of microbes that influence nearly every aspect of your health. These tiny organisms break down food, manufacture certain vitamins, maintain your immune system, and even communicate with your brain through the so-called gut-brain axis. When antibiotics upset this ecosystem, the consequences ripple far beyond digestion. You might feel sluggish, catch illnesses more easily, and even notice changes in mood. So, what can you do to restore balance to your gut after a course of antibiotics? This is where probiotics enter the scene as a powerful ally. Probiotics are live microorganisms, often referred to as good bacteria, that when consumed in adequate amounts provide health benefits to the host. By introducing friendly bacteria into your gut, probiotics can help crowd out harmful microbes and foster an environment where beneficial bacteria thrive. Not all probiotics are created equal, and different strains offer different benefits. Two of the most commonly recommended genera for post-antibiotic support are Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. These strains have been studied extensively for their ability to restore gut flora, reduce inflammation, and soothe symptoms like diarrhea. Incorporating these strains, whether through supplements or foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or kimchi, can assist your body's natural recovery process. The magic of probiotics lies not just in their ability to repopulate your gut, but in the way they help reinforce the integrity of the gut lining and modulate your immune response. When your gut lining is healthy, it serves as a barrier that keeps toxins and harmful bacteria out of your bloodstream. A well-balanced gut microbiome can also support the development of regulatory immune cells, making you less susceptible to future infections. It's important to remember that restoring your gut health after antibiotics isn't an overnight process. It can take days or sometimes weeks for your microbiome to return to its optimal state. Consistency in taking probiotics is key, as well as patience and listening to your body's needs. Some people might find relief quickly, while others may need to explore different strains or adjust their diet for better results. Incorporating probiotic-rich foods into your daily meals is a straightforward approach. Look for yogurts labeled with live and active cultures. Try a glass of tangy kefir, or add a serving of fermented vegetables to your plate. Supplements are another convenient option, especially those containing a variety of strains and a sufficient number of colony-forming units. Ultimately, supporting your gut health after antibiotics is about taking an active role in your recovery. By understanding the impact antibiotics have on your microbiome and harnessing the restorative power of probiotics, you can promote a healthy digestive system, boost your immune defenses, and experience a greater sense of overall well-being. Taking care of your gut is an essential part of the healing journey. Investing in that internal ecosystem not only helps you bounce back from antibiotics, but also lays the foundation for long-lasting vitality and health. Thanks for watching. Your like, comment, and subscribe to the channel will inspire us to create better videos in the future.